A comprehensive guide to fix QuickBooks error in reload.sql. Method 1. When opening an accountant's copy transfer file, first you have to create and send the accountant's copy transfer file again. To do that, step 1 is to disable the accountant's copy restriction. Step 2 is to create a new accountant's copy transfer file and send it again. Method 2. When opening the QB portable company file or the accountant's copy transfer file across the network, firstly install the newest QuickBook updates. Then restore the company file locally to fix the QuickBook error in reload.sql. First step is to transfer the company file to the local system. Step 2, but in case of restoring the portable company file, is to open or restore the QB company file on the local system. Exempt QB programs in Windows Firewall. Operate the System File Checker tool. Stop the execution of various third-party programs. Run the QuickBooks Install Diagnostic tool. Need more assistance? Visit us article at www.a2autocare.com or call us at this number.